Man, is it gonna be such a good video today. Yay! Hey guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. I would love for you to stick around, subscribe, click that bell, follow my social medias that are on the screen, and stick around. It's some really good content around here, and we have a ton of fun. Speaking of fun, I got two really beautiful Balenciaga bags yesterday at the mall, and I am so excited to unbox them. I have been eyeing these bags literally for like a hot minute, and I stumbled into Neiman Marcus, and I had no idea that they had like a Balenciaga section. And right when I saw that, I was like, it is my time to shine. So yeah, I ended up picking up both of the bags that I've been wanting, and I am so excited to share them with you guys. And without further ado, let's get into it. Eee! So I don't know which bag is which bag. I have no idea, but it's from Neiman Marcus, both of them. And the guy wrapped them up super nicely for me. He was so sweet, and they're here. Okay. This one actually has the receipt on top of it, so I do know which one this is, but I'm still gonna wait and not tell you guys. As always with my unboxings, I do my best to give you guys the bestest information that I can possible about the bag, the background of it, and the different styles and colorways of this bag. Okay, I took the ribbon off this little box, and now we're gonna get into the bag. What is in here? What bag is this, Isabella? Wrapping, more wrapping, and more wrapping. Oh shoot, this is not the one that had the receipt on top of it. Okay, cool, whatever. Here is the bag. It has a Balenciaga dust bag, and I think something to note when you purchase from Neiman Marcus and stuff is I don't think they give you the actual box and actual bag. Well, they definitely don't give you the actual bag of the designer or the box. You only get like the dust bag. So if you want the full experience, then I would totally recommend purchasing from the actual designer or finding that designer's boutique. But at this point, I don't really keep my boxes anymore and stuff like that and bags. So like, I don't really find it too necessary. So I don't know, I'm here to buy the bag, not like the box and stuff like that. So that's just my personal opinion. But I just want people to know that so you don't get disappointed when you buy a huge designer item or something at a Neiman Marcus or something and they don't have all of the kind of boxing accessories that come with it. And here we are. She's different. She's different. Okay, so here we have the Le Cagole XS shoulder bag from Balenciaga. This is the extra small version, as I just said. They do have a smaller version than this, and I will pop it up on the screen right here. It is a little bit different. It doesn't come with the little mirror right here and also the outside pouch. And it also does not fit an iPhone. I did try it out in the store because I was debating the really small one and the XS. I think it's called XXS. And it totally did not fit my phone. And that was a big reason for me opting with the bigger version, which in the first place, I was more into this one, but I just wanted to give myself the option. Plus the little one is a lot cheaper. So this is going to be the neon yellow color. It has aged silver hardware everywhere. And this is gonna be the lambskin material. So the strap is gonna be a really nice leather braided shoulder pad. So it really offers you that support when you hold it on to your shoulder. And also it's just really comfortable when you hold it with your hand. So this is the removable zipped pouch, and you can totally take it off, put it inside your purse. I kind of like how the accessories are on the outside. I feel like it's different than most bags that I do have. And you also have the removable heart mirror, which like how cute is that? Like it's an actual mirror. Oh, I love it. So it's going to be a zipped bag with a knotted leather puller. On the inside, you have this simple cotton canvas lining. Everything about this bag is going to be produced and made in Italy. And it totally fits a whole iPhone and a key pouch and lip gloss and blotting powder. It's going to fit an actual like good amount of stuff in this bag. You also have an adjustable strap right here, so you're able to make it smaller or shorter depending on the hole length. And I accidentally said that the minier version is called an XXS, but it's actually just called the mini version, and they actually do have it in the neon yellow color. But the strap is going to be totally different. It's just going to be out of that silver aged hardware, so you're not going to get that leather strap. And it's much smaller and it won't fit an iPhone. So this bag right here is actually going to be almost like a re-edition. This bag was available in the early 2000s, and it's making its comeback, as every bag does in every fashion trend and style. Always makes its way back around, and I love it. It's a really popular bag right now. It is not everyone's cup of tea. At first when I saw a lot of people wearing it, like the celebrities, I was like, okay, that's really different. It's not really my style for the most part. But then I was like, you know what? Like, I have so many bags that are made out of straight leather. They're very proper, very classy, and I think that this bag really adds an edge and can really make your outfit like really cool and grungy and kind of like skater girl vibes. and streetwear, and that was like my previous style, and I still dabble into it. So I just felt like this bag would be good for me, and I'm so happy about it now. Like, Balenciaga always has like the coolest fashion. I love them. And again, the shape of this bag is gonna be like a hemispherical shape, so it is gonna have that kind of like boop kind of flow to it. All right guys, that is this bag, and now we're gonna move on to the second bag. Yay! All right. I love like the shade of this blue ribbon. I don't know why, I'm obsessed with it. I think it's pretty, and I love that shade of blue. And it's not that like Neiman Marcus doesn't wrap it up beautifully, because like this is wrapped up really nicely. It's just that you're not gonna have that box to store your stuff in, but at least you get the dust bag with it, which is really helpful, and I'm really glad that they at least give you the dust bag. I feel like that should be a default for any designer bag that you buy that is firsthand. Of course, secondhand sales, that's gonna be like a little bit different, but I don't know. I think that they did pretty good. This one was the first one I decided to get, and it called my name, of course. Like, it was literally like, Bella, 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 this is the one, this is the one. And this is the one that I've been looking at for a hot minute, the colorway and everything. And then I saw that little highlight yellow, and I was like, I gotta get that one too. But this was like the first initial one that made me want to get this bag. When you see this color, you're gonna be like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. It is called Pop Orange, and it's very popped. She's like perfect. So the difference between this bag and this other one is when you look really closely at the kind of structure of the bag, this one is going to be croc embossed. So it was a few hundred more expensive than this one, because this one is just going to be that lambskin material. But this one, if you look at it, it is going to be like crocodile vibes. You see like all of the embossments in it, and that is the difference between these two. So it's nice because you can pick out kind of which fabric that you want and kind of how you want the bag to look for you. I feel like both from afar are gonna look kind of like the exact same, but it's kind of up to your opinion and price point on how much you want to spend on this bag and what is the material you want on this bag. So this is the same size as the neon yellow one right there. It's gonna be the same thing, made in Italy, and it is the braided leather shoulder pad strap. It's also adjustable as the other one. You have the removable heart mirror and the removable zip pouch. Really, truly, the only main difference between these two is that this one's gonna be made out of that lambskin, and this one's gonna be made out of the croc embossed vibe. So yeah, here we are. These are the two bags that I decided to get. I'm so happy with my purchase. Tonight, I am going out with some of my friends, and I have like these beautiful green cargo pants from Good American that also have like yellow lining, and it's gonna match this so well, so I plan on wearing this purse out tonight. I would love your thoughts and opinions on what you think of these Balenciaga hobo bags. What are your thoughts? Because honestly, I would love your thoughts and opinions on what you think of these Balenciaga hobo bags. Hogo, I almost said hogo. These hobo bags, because they're different. They're not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. They are kind of just like really mixed matched and just all over the place, but I love them, and I love the backstory, and I just love that they're making a comeback. Kind of reminds me of the whole Prada re-edition 2000 and 2005 bag, how I have so many of those because I really love that era, and I love the fashion, and I feel like it just really matches where I'm at right now. And they're just so perfect. And Balenciaga, I love the brand Balenciaga, so I'm a fan. My quote of the day is to honor your worth, and I feel like so many people just need to know that you are worth so much, and if you just honor yourself and you honor God throughout the process of that, there are just gonna be so many good things in your life coming your way. And that's not to say if you honor yourself and whatever and bad things happen, like that's normal, that's gonna happen, but I'm at this point where I'm like, I'm worth this much, and you're gonna honor me as much as I honor myself, and that is my standard. Set those standards, have the standard, and be as beautiful as you can be with high standards. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this double Balenciaga unboxing. It was so much fun, and I love filming unboxing videos. You're like my favorite. And I may or may not have another really exciting bag coming up very soon. I hope I see you guys in my very next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest that are on the screen, and I will see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye guys.